What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing Friend from 20th Century Boys. So I don't know anything about this, but I thought this looked cool and I saw people requesting it a few times. So let's get going. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we don't really have like a face, really. We have like a mask. So a suit with like an eye and stuff. Okay, so like top of the head will be up here, right? And you just do like a little curved line, right? And this extends down, right? So you're just doing like standard sort of head shape on top. And it can be bumpy, right? Because it's got this, it looks like it's a mask, but it looks like it's like a pillowcase or something. It doesn't look like a tight fitting mask, you know what I mean? So it doesn't have to be a perfectly straight line or anything. And then it bumps out there. It's like it's going around his ears. And then we go down, right? And this starts to go in, right? So we've got some like fold lines and things here. And this goes down around to sort of where the chin would be, and then back around like that. Okay. And again, these are like sort of fold lines that come in around his face, right? So like you can do as many of these as you want. So imagine this thing is like wrapped around his face. And therefore we need to make it look like the fabric is all folded. So just these sorts of diagonal lines and stuff. Right, kind of like that. So before I do the eye, I'll just get the suit done, right? So the center line for a suit just comes down this way. And then his shirt inside here, right? So the shirt kind of comes around his chin, back down like this, top of the tie, down to there, and then this goes back underneath his chin. So like there's just a dark shadow in this gap. Okay, and then so we'll add the tie just coming down in here. Right, and then this will go straight down either side. Right, and then his lapel on the suit comes out like so, back down to there. And then this one, again, slightly bigger than the top one, right? It's just these things on the side of suit jackets. Out, in, and then you go out, in again. And then his shoulders will just come out. Now, males' shoulders are head width. So the width of the head brings you out sort of to the edge of the shoulder. Right, so about there. Comes out, down. You might have like a wrinkle or two in the suit. And then the line just for where the arm meets the chest. And like some more folds and things. Same on this side, so the width of his face will sort of bring you to the edge of the shoulder. Roughly, and there. Back down. And then the suit jacket line for like his armpit. Now then in here, right, we have an eye, a hand, and a bigger eye. So circle around it like that, first of all, in the middle, kind of like a bullseye sort of thing. And then around there, so we got like another eye shape. And these are kind of like thick lines. Looks like they're done with like a heavy marker. Like that. You can thicken them up if you want. You know, you can make them like super thick. Just add a bit more thickness to them. And then there's eyelashes. Right, and then there's like a bigger eye and a hand. So coming out from the edge here, we'll do like the hand knuckles, 1, 2, 3, and then a finger just like going up here. And it's drawn real rough. It's not spectacularly detailed or anything. So just like a finger. And again, you can thicken up the line. Side of the hand will come down here. Side of the hand comes down like so. And then there's like a smiling mouth or something coming across here. And then we have the big eye that goes the whole way around. Okay, so it goes curving out here and then around this way. Thick line that goes up. And then it goes around, up towards the hand, down to there. Right, and you'll thicken this up as well. And then we have eyelashes sticking out on each one of these. 3 on that side, 3 here. And then this kind of sticks off a bit lower down here. Like legs or something sticking off the bottom. Like that. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Friend from 20th Century Boys. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.